Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2020 250 SLX here on the transom. It's equipped with a gray sea deck like you see here. We just have this protective coating on. Got the nice ratchet seat here for those days you're coving out. This boat's equipped with the stone interior, which was new for 2020. You got your sport tower here. Huge storage compartment. And what you see right here is actually part of your bow filler cushion for up front in the bow. Designated cooler. Got dual captain's chairs here. This boat's equipped with a Fusion audio stereo system. You've got dual 12-inch Simrad screens. You have digital throttle and shift, along with a full-size head. Incredible Sea Ray quality. Nice spot here to store your phones, wallet, keys, and of course up front in the bow. Equipped with a windlass anchor. And for any other questions, feel free to give us a call, 573-606-3029. Make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.